In this video, we'll learn how to get the images from ImageShack, one of the image sources supported by JSN ImageShow. In the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Show List Manager page. Here you can create a new one or edit an available show list. Make sure that all general settings are saved. Now let's start to download ImageShack. Click on the Image Source tab. Click on the thumbnail for ImageShack Image Source on the Install New Image Source row to install. The Image Source profile modal will be shown. Here you need to enter the profile title and username. For username, go to ImageShack.com, log in, and get your username. Just copy and paste to the image source profile modal. Click on the Save button to save the values. Now, in the Images Manager page, you can see the image folder for ImageShack source. Select a folder to get images. You can synchronize or drag and drop images to Show List Images column. Don't forget to click on the Save and Close button. Now in the Show Lists Manager page, you can see the number of images on your show list. Let's try to install JSN ImageShow to get your images from ImageShack. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.